Visualizing our data is important when we want to attract attention to specific information. Here you can see demographics data from Living Atlas that shows total population in NUTS-free areas. As you might imagine, administrative units usually do not reflect the true concentration of population, so this map might not be as effective as I would want it to be. So for that, I will make few changes, not going into ArcGIS Pro, just to show you that you can achieve great cartographic results right here in your map viewer. So for that, I added another layer from Living Atlas that shows world population grids. And as you can see, it's much better image right now. But now I have all this data around that might distract our users, and I want them to focus only on the Baltics. So what I will do, I will add a blending mode, which will visually crop my data based on the polygons, administrative units underneath. So blending modes define how your layers are displayed in relation to one another. I think this looks much better, but I still feel like there is too much noise in the data, and I would like to eliminate areas where there are no residents. So for that, I will use another layer from Living Atlas that shows human population footprint. So these are the actual areas where people live. And I will add another blending mode called Destination In to also crop the data, but get the underlying symbology as well. And finally, I will add a simple blur effect to make this just to look a little bit more smooth. And as you can see, we can now clearly see how the population is distributed, how densely, and the clear differences between our three Baltic states. So as you can see, we do not need to go to ArcGIS Pro to create great visuals. Next, with the latest release of ArcGIS Online, it's becoming easier and easier to create more lively and unique maps with your own styles. Here you can see animated weather symbols, which were published from ArcGIS Pro and can be easily accessed through your web map. As you can see, the style is available for me to use. But creating great experiences does not end with great symbology. We also need labels and pop-ups. And for the labels, I used a little bit of Arcade, which is an expression language used across all ArcGIS platforms. And this allowed me to convert wind direction degrees to arrows that are more comprehensible for users to understand. But let's not stop here. Next to my points, I have a related table with weather forecasts that are updated every 3 hours using Power Automate from an open API, which is provided by Lithuanian Hydrometeorological Service. So with that, and a little help of Arcade, again, I can visualize my related data and get this nice-looking forecast. Next, you can see that I have some additional layers showing different aspects of weather in the Baltics. And you might know the struggle when you have to turn every top layer to get to the bottom one. Well, now you can turn exclusive visibility on your group layers that allows you to show only one layer at a time. And just to mention that this temperature layer underneath was created right here in your browser, using analysis tools and analyzing patterns. So again, no need to go to ArcGIS Pro. And since we come from different countries and English might not be our native language, you can now create instant apps with language switcher. So it's really easy to translate your application into multiple languages just by simply entering those translations in the app. And as you see the final result, here we have everything in English, and if I switch it up, for example, to Lithuanian, we can see that every text component is translated. But again, with the help of Arcade, we can even translate our data and our pop-ups. If I select an area in Lithuania, in Klaipėda, we can see, if you notice before it was in English, now we have it in Lithuanian. And if I switch it up to Estonian and probably select some area in Estonia. Let me just click on that. You can see that the pop-ups are translated again. So you can see that it's becoming easier to create sophisticated maps with a high usability for your end users right here in your browser. You can go from idea to reality using ArcGIS Online and Map Viewer. Thank you.